Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Maker Monday. So now that you have filmed your footage in front of the green and blue screen, we're ready to take it into iMovie and do green and blue screen effects. So I have my SD card here, got it plugged in. We're going to open up iMovie. And when you first open up iMovie, you'll see where it says create new and then continue. So we're going to start a new project. And when I say create new, I'm going to click on movie. And this is the screen you're going to see. So we're going to go and import our media from the SD card. So you'll pull up your file, and this is the 1-minute video. And then want to pull in some backgrounds. So we'll go ahead and pull all of these and we'll choose one. So once you have them selected, I held down the command key so that I could select more than one item. Then I can say import selected. So you can tell all of the photos, because they have a little camera symbol on them, versus the video. Right now it has a little icon where it's showing that it's being imported. Once it's done, we'll be able to tell the difference between a video and photo because it'll have a timestamp showing you how long it is. So right now we just basically have to be patient and wait for it to fully import in. Now once it's good, you see this pop-up that lets you know it's okay to eject your disk if need be. So before we do anything further with the timeline, I want you guys to notice the icons that are always here. This is your menu where it has your color correction, your color palette, cropping, stabilization, sound, reduction of background noise, speed, and then also some audio and video clip effects. So now what we're going to do is pick a background. Let's see, I'll try this one. So by default, a photo comes in at 4 seconds long. I already know that my video is at least 1 minute long, so I'm going to change my viewer over here, kind of bring it in some. So that way when I drag the photo, I can make it last. So I'm going to bring it in a little more, but I want to make it last at least 1 minute instead of 4 seconds. So I'll put it about right there. Now I'm going to pick this video that we filmed in front of the blue screen. So now when I bring it in, I can see that the video was actually 1 minute and 5 seconds long. So then I'm going to take my photo that is stacked underneath the video. And I can tell now that it's exactly even. 1 minute and 5.15 nanoseconds because I see this yellow line. So I know it's lined up perfectly. So now I want you guys to notice something. We have some audio coming in from the video. If we didn't want that audio, we can mute it, but we'll keep it on for now. And then you see your photo. Now that this video is stacked on top of the photo, a new menu appears that wasn't there before. This is only when you stack items on top of each other, whether it's a photo on top of photo, video on top of video, or vice versa, any combination. A new menu appears where we can do a cutaway, which is right now where this video, we're seeing it instead of seeing the photo. We can do green and blue screen effects. We can do a split screen where we're seeing both, or we can do picture in picture. So what we're going to do for today is green and blue screen. So now it looks like I'm at the club, right? So the only thing else I want to do with this, going back to the photo, by default, not only does it come in at 4 seconds, it also kind of does something that's called Ken Burns. And I can notice a few things about this photo. I can see a little bit of words here that I kind of want to crop out. So I'm going to go up to the crop tool, and I'm going to take Ken Burns off and do crop to fill. And then I'm just going to kind of drag this a little bit to crop off those words. So now I'll check that, and now it looks a little bit better. So I kept the sound on. Let's listen to it and see what it looks like. You're the one I want to know. So already with there, we can hear a little bit at the beginning that we probably don't need. That little part when we're waiting for the music to start. We also heard a little bit of sound, like background noise, so we can go up here and reduce that. You're the one I want to know, so tell me how it's supposed to go. Thank you for tuning in for Maker Monday. I'll see you next time. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Thank you.